Hello guys, good day and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Welcome. It's a good day to be alive today. My name is Favor Ugu, and in this video I'm showing you beautiful people how I installed my mini twist. This is my first time making this twist actually. So because I recorded it, I decided to share to you guys. Okay, first I am starting off on a freshly washed and moisturized hair, but I will go off camera now to part my hair in 4 sections, just because I struggle a lot. What am I saying? Just because I struggle a lot with parting my hair, and I didn't want this video to be super long. So here is my hair parted in 4 sections. They are not equal actually, but anyway, I am going to start. I am going to take 1 section at a time. So here I am resectioning the hair in smaller sizes. This is what I will be working with, the way that it is. So guys, here are 2 things that I do to help me when I'm parting my hair. Number 1 is that I use double mirror, a larger one at the back and like a hand mirror in front to help direct me. So the second thing that I do is that I use my finger to trace the pattern as I go. I flipped the room and it's making my breath go up the way that I don't like. So if you catch me breathing like this, please don't mind, it's going to go down after a while. So yeah, I use my finger to trace the pattern. I am not looking for perfection. As long as the part is clean enough, it's good for me, it's okay for me. Okay, so I try to set achievable goals when I'm installing my hair by myself. So here I've parted out that section. Now I'm going over to brush the hair. Bear in mind I've already moisturized this hair. Okay, so I'm just brushing it out to smoothen it down. So here are some important tips. I don't know why my mic is not sounding like I should shout before it will sound. I don't know, but anyway, here are the tips. Let me increase my volume. Here are some important tips that I want you to know when twisting your own hair by yourself. That is when making your hair, when making a loose twist. Why is my explanation called voiceover? Anyway, number 1 is to divide the hair into equal sections. Okay, divide the hair into equal sections. Divide the hair in such a way that you don't need to borrow hair from the other strand. I hope it's making sense. Divide the hair in such a way that you don't need to borrow hair from his sister or brother. Number 2 is to twist loosely. Okay guys, wait. The reason why you need to divide your hair into equal sections is so that when you're taking it down, it will be easier for you. Do you understand? Like when you divide the hair into equal sections, when you're twisting it, when you finish twisting it, the twist will look finer, number 1. But the important part to me is that when I'm taking it down, it will be easier, it will be very easy to take it down when you divide the hair into sections and when you did not borrow hair. Actually, I'm trying to find an English word for what I have in mind, but when you did not borrow hair, when you're losing it, it's easier. Okay, if you've not tried it this way, try it this way. So the other one is to twist loosely. So when you start twisting, what you do is to twist tight a little bit from the root, then maybe like 3-4 times, then you loosen your hand. Just losing your hand essentially. I don't know what I'm saying. You just loosen your hand, okay, and twist the rest, okay. Yeah, twist loosely. Don't braid from the root. Also, for easy takedown, I don't braid from the root. Honestly speaking, when I'm doing super mini twist like this, I don't braid from the roots, because when I'm taking it down, it will be easier for me if I don't braid it from the roots, okay. I don't know, this is my opinion, this is what has been working. I just thought that I should share in case, I don't know, just do your own the way that you feel is okay for you. But if you've not been doing it and it's your first time, these are the tips that might help you. All right, twist loosely because it's a loose twist, as the name implies, okay. Twist from the root and not braid from the root, because if you're doing loose twist, mini loose twist like this, the twist tends to come out bigger when you're done. So when you're taking it down, you want it to be easy for you to, if you braid from the root, it's going to make it last longer, but when you're taking it down, you might break your hair if you're not patient enough. That's why I don't even bother. I twist from the root. This is my own personal opinion, okay. So let's go over the steps again. Number 1, twist from the beginning to the end, but twist tightly at the beginning. Number 2, twist section your hair into equal parts and don't borrow hair. Section your hair in such a way that you don't need to borrow hair from the other strand. I hope that makes sense, guys. Please just watch what I am doing, because this explanation is not entering at all. But anyway, it's a simple twist and you guys will get the hang of it. Honestly, this is actually the first time that I'm trying this twist, and I was really nervous when I started. I don't know, each time I want to start making my hair a new hairstyle, even the ones I've been doing before, I get this is it like a jot of nervousness, or I don't know how I'm going to put it. But anyway, I was nervous at God, English is not your mate. I was nervous at first, but the moment that I did my first twist, like I got that confidence back, because it was really easy. Like I got the hang of loose twists faster than I thought that I would, okay. Yeah, I've been doing twists. Actually, this is not my first time doing mini twists, but this is my first time doing mini loose twist, okay. This is my first time doing any type of loose twist. Actually, I've always seen them do it and I wonder how they do it, but you know, yeah, I tried myself, and I'm super proud that I was able to do it. So yeah, let me let you guys watch this video and I will come back in a bit, because I don't even know what I'm saying again. I don't know what I just did there. I mean, well, I guess at this point I was already super happy that everything is going okay as it should. So guys, another thing that gets me through when I'm doing hair this long, or whenever I'm doing hair for a longer duration, is I watch something or I listen to something. Right here I'm watching a Telemundo. I'm watching a movie. All right, that's why sometimes you see me looking the other way. I'm actually watching a movie to get my mind off and get me excited, laugh and stuff like that. It just keeps me going. So what you should do is to get something doing. I don't know. I like to combine things. I use the time that I'm washing or doing something that I don't know. Well, I use washing because really I am using my hands, right? But I can listen to motivational talks. I can listen to I can watch a video that I've downloaded from YouTube. Assuming there was no light this particular day, I could have been watching a video that I downloaded from YouTube. Trust me, before this day, I already downloaded some videos from YouTube that I need to watch. Yeah, videos that will improve my life, like stuff like that. So guys, yeah, I was really excited seeing how well this hair is coming along and how full it is. Can you guys see? Like, it is really full. Guys, I promise you, if you've not tried this hairstyle, please try it. Try it, okay? So I lost track of time and it was time for my children to come back, and so I stopped twisting. And here is at night, after putting my children to bed, I've started again. But guys, before I even carried myself off the bed as I lie down with them, it was war. But the thought that I'm supposed to wash clothes the next day really pushed me out of the bed. So here I am completing the hair that very night. I was happy to have carried myself out of the bed and to complete the hair. This is me on the last oh my god, this is me on the last section of the hair, guys. Can you imagine that I didn't get up? Imagine that I pushed the hair to the next day. But anyway, I'm remoisturizing this part because it is natural hair. It has been open and out for long, so the moisture is not there again. So yeah, I decided to moisturize it again, okay, to keep it juicy. So guys, did you see what I just did there? I divided the hair in half and I made sure to show you guys again as a reminder, right? It's important. Your girl is tired. Tiredness is the word. Oh hooray, this is the last twist. I mean the last one. I tried to stretch my hand and then my hand just did wham, and I'm like, what the heck, what just happened there? Hey god, no, tiredness is not your mate. But really guys, see, I was able to finish this hair in one day and it's a great achievement for me. And here, voila, I am done, like done and dusted. The feeling is in another is on another world, another planet. Anyway, this is how full the hair is, guys. Can you see? And I did this all by myself in one day, guys. Like in one day. I didn't check time. Like, I can't tell how long it took me to install this hair in total. Maybe next time I should check time, calculate all the times together and everything and put it together. But anyway, this is the twist. This is me signing out. I hope that you learned a thing or two from this video. If you did, please give your girl a thumbs up and like this video. Share with your friends. I love you. Ciao, ciao.